Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Well, today is another exciting day. We are going to make our Frankincense and Myrrh salve, okay? So come on, let's get into it. Before we start the video, let me just say, to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Now let's get into this video. Come on. Okay, I hope everyone is doing great today. In this measuring cup, I took it upon myself because I knew it was going to take a long time for the wax and the oils to combine and melt with each other. So I went on and did it myself off camera, but I will insert a clip right here at this moment, just showing you the process when it melting down. Okay, so in here we have our organic rose petals infused in coconut oil, organic coconut oil. And I also put in a sprinkle of 24 karat sparkle gold mica. Okay? And now we're going to take it over to the table and we're going to add our Frankincense and Myrrh Essential Oil. Come on back with me. Let's go on over to the table. And I also added the 24 karat gold sparkle mica as well. Okay, so let me bring it up so you can take a good look at that. So right now, what we're going to add is the essential oils, which are frankincense and myrrh. Okay, so let's start with frankincense first. We'll say about maybe 15 drops of each. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 16 went in. All right, mix that in. And do the same thing with the myrrh. Let me smell it. All right, that's nice. Let's see what the myrrh does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That came out too fast. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and give me my 16. Well, that was all about 17. So let's mix that all together. And then it's going straight into the jars. We have 2-ounce jars here, okay? 2-ounce jars. And then we're gonna let this sit. So after this, that's it. We're not gonna touch them at all. After we pour them in the jars until maybe I'm probably all day. And then we'll come back tomorrow's video and we'll label them and place them into the Etsy shop, okay? So let's come on and start. Let me give you the quote of today. The quote of the day is, I love you. How's that? Quote of today, I love you. Do you know that? Has anyone told you that they love you today? Well, let me be the first to say, I love you. I appreciate you for coming over and watching me. I really do. This is going to be really nice. They said it's the liquid gold, right? Frankincense. It's biblical. It's an anointing oil. Very, very nice gift to give someone. Very nice. Or to yourself. Always treat yourself nice, you know? You always have to take care of you. Let's see if I'm going to make it. Oh, I made it. I didn't know if I was going to make it to 7. But I did. Absolutely gorgeous. It really is. Okay, so I'm not going to touch them at all. It's a no-no. Don't move them. It might seem like you want to, but we're not. I'll bring you right back. All right, so we're done for today. Tomorrow we will label them and place them in my Etsy shop, and you'll get a chance to see the name of them. So I'll name them as well. So the ingredients were organic rose petals, infused and organic coconut oil. So we use that infused coconut oil. On top of that, we have our wax, along with Frankincense Essential Oil and Myrrh Essential Oil, along with 24 karat gold sparkle mica. Y'all have a great day. Love you. Mwah. Mwah. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Just wanted to come back and give you a close-up of them, okay? Isn't that beautiful? When they're hardening already. Stay warm, guys. Love you. Have a great day. Absolutely gorgeous.